So you've been thinking about moving to the Nashville area, but everywhere you're looking seems to be too expensive. You're looking at moving to all these expensive neighborhoods, and it's just really kind of pricing you out of the market. Well, today we're going to take a look at Fairview, Tennessee, which is just west, kind of southwest of Nashville. It's still in Williamson County, which is one of the prime counties everybody wants to be in, but it has a little bit more affordable housing and certainly some things that you may want to check out. We're going to do the 5 pros and the 5 cons of Fairview, Tennessee, and we're getting started right now. If this is your first time to the channel and you're wanting to know everything there is to know about Nashville and the surrounding areas like Fairview, and you want more information, feel free to click the subscribe button, click the bell for notification, and then you'll get notified every single time we upload a new video. I'm Michael, and Joshua, Caleb, James, David, and our team. We get calls from people just like you from all over the country asking questions about making their move to Nashville and the surrounding areas. If that's you and you have questions, feel free to give us a call, shoot us a text, or send us an email, and we'll gladly help you find a place where you can live, work, and play. Okay, let's get started with number one. Number one pro of Fairview, Tennessee is it has a small town feel to it. It really fits the vibe of being that small local town with a little courthouse and that kind of feel. So it makes it more personal, more laid back, if you want to call it that. Okay, so the first con that we've come to here in Fairview is that it's in the middle of the sticks. It's really not near a whole lot of anything. So while you may like that small town feel, you are definitely going to be out there. Okay, get back to number 2 on the pro list, and that is that Fairview is a great value. Now, a great value means that prices aren't skyrocketing yet, and that, you know, while other parts of Williamson County and the surrounding areas around Williamson County, Franklin, Tennessee, Nashville, Brentwood, while those are really, really high price points, Fairview hasn't been moving as fast as far as increase in value. So it doesn't mean that it's not growing. It just means that it isn't at the same level as, say, Franklin, Tennessee. On the other hand, while pricing may be better for now, looking at how the long-term effect of what's going on in the Nashville market, it's going to be short-lived because the prices are already creeping up in Fairview and it's becoming less and less affordable. So if you're going to make some kind of decision on this, you probably should do it sooner rather than later. Okay, on to number 3. Number 3 on the pro list is that there's easy access to 840, which gets you to Franklin and Murray County, Spring Hill, that kind of area if you want to go that way. Or taking I-40 straight into Nashville will get you to the games, to the downtown area, some of the entertainment that you may want to go to. And those are some great, definitely good thoroughfares, clear, and traffic isn't usually too bad on 840 anyway. While 40 may get backed up during rush hour, it's not as bad as being on the east side. The number 3 con of Fairview is that it's not near a lake and it's not near a river, so it really doesn't offer a lot in the way of water sports. Okay, while there may not be a lake or a river, there is Bowie Nature Park, and it is one of the nicest parks in Nashville. Great play area, great things to do, horseback riding, all kinds of activities to do with the family. It's a great park if you want to kind of check out just hiking for the day, having a lot of fun with your family. And number 4 con is definitely that there is no nightlife. It is really a small town and doesn't have a lot to offer in the way of entertainment or things for you to do, after hours, that kind of thing. Maybe as a city that's not known for the nightlife, you can definitely be known for your donuts. Fairview has the best donuts in Tennessee at Fairview Donuts. And if you're ever in the area, even if you're just passing through the area, you should probably check out Fairview Donuts. And the number 5 con is that while there is a lot of local flavor and local food and things like that, there's not any chain restaurants. You do have to drive if you're looking for the typical chain restaurants that you love. As far as some of the higher end restaurants there, I mean, there's definitely some local fast food joints, but really there's just not a lot to offer in the way of restaurants in Fairview. So whether you're thinking about moving to the Nashville area or the Fairview area, this is definitely a good option if you're looking for something that's a little bit more affordable. You can check out a couple of our other videos that we're going to be making on Fairview as well, on different price points in the area, and kind of give you a drive around town as well. We'll see you next video.